G'day, I'm Pete and you're watching Feral Fabrications. Today we're doing an unboxing video. I bought myself some gas adjustable shock absorbers for the rear of this Mark 1 Ford Capri. Let's check them out. Here's the box that came. So let's open it up, have a look. Ooh. They come with instructions. Only fitted by a suitably qualified person. That's me. Both the same sheets. Oh, there's a bit of a graph on the other side. I think that's like from dyno testing the shock. Gives you the results. Probably give you an idea of how you wanted to tune them, but I would just be fitting them to the car on a softer setting and then increasing the hardness to until where I find a sweet spot. Pretty much my plan. Here's the unit. It's got nylock nut on the top, which is good. Zinc plated, rubber bushes, a dust guard, that's just plastic, and then the body of the shock, some inspection details, another rubber bush in the bottom, and the adjustable knob to change the performance of the shock. Okay. That's it fully extended. It's got a serial number there. Okay. Let's crank it up a bit and see what it does. That's 4 clicks. Oh, it's definitely quite a bit harder. So even 4 clicks makes a big difference. Oh, battling. There we go. Whew. So that's rebound. Quite stiff. Compression as well. So yeah, big adjustment for 4 clicks. Let's try 2. Somewhere in between. Well, I think that's really good. Let's have a look at the other one. It's the same. No visible damage or anything. Must be set to its softest setting. I would say if you were thinking of using these for a road car, might not be the best. I don't know, on the softest setting it's reasonably soft, so it might give you a nice enough ride for the road, but I guess if you start cranking them up you might find that they're quite stiff. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video of these gas adjustable shocks for the Capri. I got them supplied by Classic Car Accessories. It's an online store, sort of operates out of Trademe in New Zealand, and pricing was pretty reasonable. I think including freight, these were $200 each, so $400 for the pair. Now, the reason I bought these for my particular car is, of course, it's a race car and I want some adjustability in the suspension so I can control how much understeer or oversteer I get on the day, depending on track conditions and so on. At the moment I get a lot of understeer and I'm trying to change it around a bit so I get a little bit more oversteer. Obviously not too much, but it'll be a step in the right direction, I think. So these will no doubt get tested out on track and I'll let you know how they perform. Certainly out of the box they look like a great unit. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.